Have you ever wondered about the Neon payment limit? You know, that invisible ceiling that might just put a damper on your online shopping spree or a big-ticket purchase. Let's dive in and find out exactly what you can and can't do with Neon. Understanding Neon payments. Neon is a popular digital payment platform offering a convenient and secure way to make transactions. But just like any other financial tool, it has its limitations. One of the most important factors to consider is the payment limit. Factors affecting Neon payment limits. So, what determines the Neon payment limit for your account? Let's break it down. Account type. Your Neon account type plays a crucial role. Personal accounts typically have lower limits compared to business accounts, which are designed to handle larger transactions. Verification level. The more verified your account is, the higher your payment limit is likely to be. Neon often requires additional verification steps to ensure security and prevent fraudulent activities. Transaction history. Your past transaction history can also influence your limit. A consistent and positive transaction history may lead to an increase in your payment limit. Payment method. The payment method you choose can impact the limit as well. Some methods, like credit cards, may have higher limits compared to debit cards or bank transfers. Common Neon payment limits. While specific limits can vary, here are some common ranges you might encounter. Personal accounts. Limits typically range from a few thousand to tens of thousands of units per transaction. Business accounts. Limits can be significantly higher, reaching hundreds of thousands or even millions of units per transaction. Tips for maximizing your Neon payment limit. If you're looking to increase your Neon payment limit, consider these tips. Verify your account. Complete all necessary verification steps to establish trust and credibility. Maintain a positive transaction history. Avoid suspicious or fraudulent activities that could negatively impact your limit. Upgrade your account. If your current account type is limiting your transactions, explore options to upgrade to a business account or a higher-tier personal account. Contact Neon support. If you have concerns or questions about your payment limit, don't hesitate to reach out to Neon's customer support team. The Neon payment limit is an important factor to consider when using the platform. By understanding the factors that influence it and taking steps to maximize your limit, you can make the most of Neon's convenient payment services. Remember, if you need to make larger transactions that exceed your current limit, you may need to explore alternative payment options or consider upgrading your Neon account. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.